Okay, Ustaz Ibrahim, your time start now.
رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Mga kapatid, ang tatalakayin ko ngayon, papatunayan ko sa 10 minutos na ang Quran ay salita ng Allah. At bakit tayo nakipagdebate, nakipag-argue? Dahil utos po ng Allah makipag-argue. Sabi ng Allah dito, Udu ila sabili rabbika bil hikmah wal mau'izatil hasanah wajadilhum billati hiya ahsan. In English, invite to the way of your Lord with wisdom and good instruction, and argue with them and debate with them in a way that are best. Utos po ng Allah. Another thing dito sa Quran, Quran chapter 2, verse 23, Suratul Baqarah, sinabi ng Allah, wa in kuntum fi raibin mimma tanjalna ala abdina fa'tu bi suratin min mithlih wad'u syuhada'akum min dunillah in kuntum sadiqin. English, the nearest meaning. And if you are in doubt about what we have sent down upon our servant Muhammad, then produce a surah, the like thereof, and call your witnesses other than Allah. Allah had challenged all na mag-produce even one surah. Ang Quran, ang pinakamaikling na surah, ang suratul tinatawag na suratul Kautsar. Inna a'tayna kal kautsar fasalli li rabbika wanhar inna shani'aka huwal abtar. Chapter 108, 3 verses lamang. Since the time of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam until now, Allah challenged the Arabs to produce one surah, meaning 3 verses, and until now they cannot produce the Arabs. Okay? Another thing, si Allah mismo nagpapatunay, hindi kami magpapatunay na ang Quran ay nagmula sa Allah, kundi si Allah mismo ang nagpapatunay na ang Quran ay nagmula sa Kanya. Anong sabi ng Allah dito sa Quran? Sabi ng Allah, sa Suratul Baqarah, verse 2, sabi ng Allah, okay? Dalikal kitabu la raiba fihi hudan lil muttaqin. Sabi ng Allah. Translation, this is a perfect book. Sabi ng Allah, this is a perfect book. And there is no doubt in it. There is guidance for the righteous. In Quran chapter 56 verse 77 to 58 and to 80, sabi ng Allah sa Quran, A'udhu billahi minasyaitanir rajim, sabi ng Allah, innahu laqur'anun karim, sabi ng Allah, this is indeed a noble Quran. Innahu laqur'anun karim, sabi ng Allah, this is the noble Quran, sabi ng Allah. Fi kitabim maknun, sabi ng Allah, la yasa, I will direct to the English, indeed it is the noble Quran and registered, well protected. Well protected. None can touch except the purified, sabi ng Allah. Another thing that mentioned about the Quran, sabi ng Allah, I will direct to the English. In verse 82, it's mentioned, they do not consider the Quran had it not been from Allah. They would surely have found much discrepancies. Kung kayo ay hindi naniniwala na ito ay nagmula sa Allah, you would have, nakikita sana ninyo ang maraming mga kamalian mula sa Quran, sabi ng Allah. Okay. Ang Quran, na-revealed ni Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam within the period of 23 years. Sa edad na si Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam nag-40, the first revelation ay natanggap ni Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Before his demise ay nakumpleto ho ang revelation of the Quran. Buhay pa si Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam kasama ang kanyang mga sahaba, including his wives. They memorized the Quran, and the Quran written in Mus'haf sa mayroong position si Aisha radhiyallahu anha, At mayroon din position si Hafsa, ang kaniyang asawa, nga anak ni Umar radhiyallahu anhu. Mayroon din siyang copy sa Quran. Before the death of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the Quran put into writing already, and there are hundreds of memorizers of the Quran, including Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Sa kapanahonan nga namatay ng Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, si Abu Bakar ang nabilang napili na successor. Ang mga tao ay natatakot sila dahil maraming nangamatay na mga memorizers of the Quran during Abu Bakar. He suggested to Abu Bakar, and Abu Bakar refused to put into writing and copied and be distributed. Si Abu Bakar refused. Pagdating ni Umar radhiyallahu anhu, dahil ang si Umar radhiyallahu anhu ang pangalawang kalifa, same problem. Yung mga tao ay pumunta sila sa Iraq to have a war, facing the war. Maraming nangamatay ng mga memorizers of the Quran, because the memorizers of the Quran, they understood the Quran, sila ang sa finish, sila ang sa front line palagi. So nangamatay, ang karamihan ay namatay sa kanila. Then sa kapanahonan ni Uthman, doon na mismo nga si Uthman ay was forced to gather all the fragments of the Quran, including the memorizers of the Quran, and including the mushaf nga hawak ni Hafsa at ang hawak din ni Aisha radhiyallahu anha, put into writing at ginawang uniform ang pag-memorize sa Quran, because during the time of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, there are different writings. Pero ang meaning, the same, different writings. The same as sa ngayon, kung magbisaya ka, magsalita ka ng Bisaya, there are different salita ng Bisaya. The same as Arabic, the Arabic ang ginagamit ngayon na Fushatul al-Fusha, Quran nga ginagamit ang kay Uthman lingwahe na napilian with the memorizers of the Quran, and the existing today is the Quran. Ito ang Quran. With the translation, ito ang Quran. The Quran is the only book on earth. Isa lang mag-iisang aklat sa mundo. Now from the revelation, it's in Arabic, and until now it is Arabic. And it is the only book on earth had been memorized by heart, literally from cover to cover by millions of people. And in fact, Muslim countries and Muslim communities, mayroon kaming mga madrasa, eskwelahan, just memorizing the Quran, tinatawag na tahfidh al-Quran. So ang nag-aaral doon, mga bata, after 2 years, nakamemorize sila. So literally, ang mga Muslim ngayon, there are millions of Muslims who memorized the Quran from cover to cover. At walang ibang aklat ngayon na nag-aangkin na nandoon ang original sa kanila maliban lamang sa Quran. Sa Quran, about science, mayroon ng Quran. Prophecy, mayroon ng Quran. During the question and answer, kung magtatanong ng aking katunggali saan ang prophecy of the Quran, saan ang scientific proof of the Quran, inshallah, I will lay down the questions, yung mga kasagutan sa kanyang mga katanungan. But the proof today, the Quran is the only book on earth na ginagamit sa bakit kayo mag-asawa ayon sa Quran. Ganyan ang pag-aasawa ninyo. Pwede kayong 3, 4, bakit? Andyan sa Quran. Bakit kayo makipagira? Ganyan, dahil sa Quran. Bakit kayo nagra-Ramadan? Dahil sa Quran. Bakit kayo nagbigay ng zakat? Dahil sa Quran. Today, all Muslim on earth, not majority, all Muslim, they are shouting to the world na sana ang Quran ay ma-impose as the law of the land, dahil ang Quran is the word of Allah. At wala nang makasubra pa the perfectness of the Quran, because ito ay salita ng Allah mismo for mankind. This is not a book only for the Arabs. This is not only book for the Muslim, but itong aklat na ito, itong Quran na ito is given to all mankind, ang tinatawag na Quran. How many minutes, Mr. Moderator? Hello, Mr. Moderator, how many minutes?
2 minutes na lang po, Ustads.
Okay.
2 minutes.
So, sum up, mga kapatid, ulitin ko. Buhay pa ang Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, ay nandoon na ang Quran, memorized before his demise, memorize twice during Ramadan ang Quran. At mayroon siya mga kasamahan, sila ni Sa'id bin Thabit, sila ni Abu Bakar, sila ni Uthman, sila ni Ali, sila ni Hudayfa. And there are more who memorize the Quran na kasama ng Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Aisha, his wife also memorized the Quran, and Hafsa also memorized the Quran. Omar memorized the Quran. There are hundreds of people who memorized the Quran during the time of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And until now, there are millions of Muslims who memorize the Quran. If all the Quran on earth be burned or itapon sa dagat tomorrow, na Muslim can print it, reprint it, because there are people who memorize the Quran literally from cover to cover. Maraming salamat. Subhanakallah, Allahumma bihamdika, asyhadu an la ilaha illa anta, astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.